I went through hundreds of Figma plugins so you don't have to. Here are the 10 that actually earned a permanent spot in my toolkit for 2026. Some of these will save you hours on a single project. Let's get into it. First one feels like a magic the first time you use it. Coda AI design lets you screenshot any app interface and upload it straight into the plugin. It converts that screenshot into fully editable Figma layers, not a flat image. Real text layers, real structure. If you have ever seen an app you liked and wished you could start from it inside Figma, this is exactly that. Some idea, but for websites. Paste any URL and HTML to design imports the full page as an editable Figma file. There is also a Chrome extension that captures page behind a login or even localhost sites. This is a big time saver for redesigns and sites audit when you need the real structure instead of rebuilding a page from scratch. CanStyle is basically a library of ready-made visual effects, gloss effects, holographic textures, metallic finishes, retro comic looks, neon buttons, all preset and ready to drag into your design. Instead of building a custom effect from scratch, you just drop one and see if it works. Great for exploring different visual directions fast. If tools like this actually help your workflow, this channel is where I break down new design software every week. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Back to the list. Table Creator does exactly what the name says. You control rows and columns and everything in component based. So when you update one cell design, every table using it updates automatically. You can resize, reorder, and select entire row or column at once. If you work on SaaS products, admin panels, or anything data heavy, this saves a tons of repetitive rebuilding. This one lets you animate directly inside Figma, turn on screen recording mode, change your layers over time, and it captures everything as keyframes automatically. Export as GIF, MP4, animated PNG, CSS for developers, or JSON for Lottie. Since anyone with edit access can view and tweak the animation, it's a solid option for teams working on motion together. Stark is your accessibility checker. It scans your file and flags issue automatically. The contrast checker tells you if your text meets WCAG standard and suggests better color. You can also simulate color blindness to see your design the way some user actually will. Accessibility shouldn't be option, and Stark make it easy to catch problem before they ship. This one builds full color palettes based on Tailwind system. Pick a base color and it generates every shade from 50 to 900. If you're building a design system or want consistent ready to use colors that match Tailwind out of the box, this removes the manual shade guessing entirely. Magic Animator uses AI to generate animations from a static design in one click. Select a frame, hit generate, and you got 4 animation variations to pick from. These aren't flat video export either. They are fully editable with real keyframes and easing curves. You can also adjust export as MP4, GIF, or Lottie. Type scales generate harmonious font sizes based on mathematical ratios. Pick a base size, choose ratio like the golden ratio or as a perfect fourth, and it builds a balanced progression of sizes for you. Instead of guessing your heading and wordy sizes, you get proper visual rhythm in seconds. Last one is built especially for animated typography. Animate by letter, word, line, or paragraph with presets like fades, slides, typewriter effect, and bounces. You control the delay between each element individually. It's the kind of small detail that makes a hero section or title sequence feel finished instead of static. 10 plugins, 10 different problems solved. You don't need all of them today. Pick the 2 or 3 that match what's actually slowing you down right now. If this helped, drop a like. Let me know in the comments which one you are installing first. See you in the next one.